All right, here we go. Here we are, guys. Trader versus trader, semi-final number two. We've got Jack, we've got Qvon. Welcome to the show, guys.
Thank you.
Hello, hello.
Folks, we're just about to get into it. So we've got a 5 trade challenge here. It's trader versus trader. Now, before we do, I just want to make sure everyone out there in the internet world can hear what I'm saying. We've got good technicals. Can we just have a little bit of a yes or in the chat, please, for those that are watching? And for those guys over on there on Instagram, head over there, tradingnut.com. You'll find the YouTube links, or just go to YouTube and search for Trading Nut. We'll see you in there. Right, just going to finish that Instagram. Right, now, can we see anyone here with a yes? Yes, they can hear. Brilliant. Okay, folks, here, we're going to get into it. Quickly do a very, very short presentation where we're going to learn how this works. So let's get started. So we've got 4 trades each. Losing trader takes the 5th trade first. Winning trader takes the 5th trade second. The winner advances to the final. Now, these are the standings so far. Now, I've just realized I probably haven't done this the best way, but look, what we've got here is the semi-final number 1, which you can see, which you can see here, and I might just get my little pointer out. So Jacob last week did 21.45R, which is ridiculous because it is literally the highest score I've had on all these TradingView replay challenges. So he's beat out guys who have got massive profiles there in the trading space, and he's only 15. Another 15-year-old from Sweden there. Now these are so Jack. Last time you got 1.39R, and I mean, like, geez, I suppose if you'd taken profit a little bit earlier, that could have been up to 4s or 5s on some of those trades. And Qvon, you got 3.45, which is a pretty good score. So guys, you don't have to beat 21.45, which is great. You've just got to beat each other. So what's up for grabs here? So we've got my sponsors kindly donated a prize, which is £400 evaluation account of $12,500 to get a $50,000 Forex funded account. And that's City Traders Imperium. So they're not the winner of this round, but the overall winner will get this £400 prize. But I think most people here are doing it for the kudos and being able to be, crowned trader versus trader champion. So rules. Now, slightly different rules from other times. So traders can skip forward to find their entry setup, which stays the same. You can cancel your trade setup at any time before it triggers. And you can reduce your stop loss, but you can't extend it, okay? So you want to keep that 1R. You can exit 50% of your trade if you want, but only once. And then rankings are based on overall R during the 5-trade challenge. Max stop loss, 500 pips. And rule number 1, the new rule number 1 is I choose the charts, which I've done, and Jack's gone there and set up his charts. He's going to go first. And then we've got 7-minute time limit for each trade. So I'm going to get the timer going, and what I'll do is I will give you a countdown, guys, sort of at about the 3.5 minute mark, and then at the 2-minute mark and the 1-minute mark, so you know when you're getting sort of pressured to find that entry. So, folks, the scores currently no scores, so we're going to end here. I'm going to stop sharing. Jack, you're going to share your screen.
Yep.
And we're going to dive into, or you're going to give me access, and I'm going to dive in and set this baby up for you. So let's have a look. Have we got any questions coming through in this chat? Not yet.
I think I've given you access now, or
I'll request control. Here we go. Okay, have I got that? Yep. Brilliant. Okay, now Jack, do you want to spin around, put your hands over your eyes, just so that everyone knows you're not cheating? And I'll get going on this replay mode setup. Okay, cool. So, and what's the lowest time frame you're going to go down to?
more than likely the 30-minute or the 5-minute or 15-minute, sorry.
30-minute or 15-minute. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so all right, cool. So 15 minutes doesn't give us a lot to work with here, but it's all right. And that's what I might do in the final is give the other contestant a chance to set the date. All right, Jack. There you go, mate. All yours. I'll leave the remote control to you. Geraldo's in there in the chat. How's it going?
So we get going from here, yeah?
Yeah, mate. You're off. So let me just get started. I'll get this timer going, and I'll let you know when it starts. I'm just about to start the timer. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Off you go.
Okay. Odd JPY. So I'll push this back because people were complaining about it the last time. That was too close. First thing, obviously, that I would look for is obviously starting on the daily chart. I'd look for daily support and resistance, and then the overall, kind of global trend. So from here, sometimes as well, as I said in the last one, but I didn't really use it. I use the line chart to mark support and resistance. It just kind of clears out the noise, if that makes sense. So as we can see here, there's multiple touches for support and resistance. Then I like to look at this level as well. We have some sort of level going on here as well. So now that I've got those, I'll go back to candles. Overall trend is down, so I'll drop down to the 4 hour now that that's in my head. And let's see what we're left with from here. So still in a downtrend, obviously. We've got a nice kind of level here as well. I'm gonna just play some of these candles as I kind of want to see it. It took that big spike down there, and it might come back up to retest. I want to see how it reacts to this level. So, it was this button for just slow.
That's for one step forward. I think the play button, that one there gets the thing going. I think it'll be quite slow moving with that where it's currently at.
I'll get the speed up. I've only got 7 minutes, did you say?
Yeah, so you're 4 minutes 50 left.
4 minutes 50 left already?
Yeah, I know. It goes pretty quick.
Okay, so yeah.
Don't worry too much about that explaining what's going on. Like, you got to get these trades in.
Yeah, no, because the last time...
it was all about explaining. This time it's all about...
wanted the explanation, so... Yeah. Right. Seems to be kind of ranging here a bit.
Yeah, the first time, I don't know, I can't remember who came up with the idea, but it was like they thought 5 minutes was going to be enough, and I was like, 5 minutes is too tight, surely. But everyone's done it within 5 minutes. They've got an entry on, so far the other guys got it in probably within 3.5 minutes. A couple of them in 2 minutes, which I was pretty surprised about. I didn't even know if I could do it in 2 minutes. So it does give you a bit of pressure to try and find something or craft the trade out, which you may not normally take, which is
that's all part of the fun as well.
Yeah, we're in the semis here, so it's going to be tougher.
Right, okay. I'm not liking how big that zone is that I marked. I'm gonna just reduce it. I don't have the time actually. Quite, come on.
Now, guys listening, if you got any ideas for a, sorry, we're at 3 minutes 11 now. If you got any ideas for things we can throw at these guys in the final, please chuck them in the chat. Like, I'm looking for different sort of ways to do the final. You know, some things I've thought about is inverting the charts, which I know we can do on TradingView. That could be quite fun because you really don't know where you're at. In fact, we could probably do that on all of them. Yeah, anything else that you can think of, something slightly different, not too impossible, just to make it a bit more of a challenge.
Okay, I'm gonna just go for this. It's only two and a bit. I'm gonna squeeze that over there.
Okay.
Right, play away.
Yeah, so you're all locked in. So I'm just going to cancel the timer, or pause the timer. All right, so you're in the trade now.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just drag. I'll drag it over for you a bit. No. What's this one?
And if you want to move the stop, do remember to just draw a line.
No, I'll just let this play on. Yeah, I'll go. Stop at break even.
Break even. Okay, no need to draw a line for that. We know that. Stops at break even. Okay. Oh, close. Oh, okay. You're out.
Yeah, could have taken. Wouldn't really be worth it for. I wouldn't even have been 1-to-1. So, it's
that was
tough.
That was 1 to 1.5.
Oh 1.5
yeah, sorry.
To 1. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay.
Yeah, unfortunate. So that was a break even. Okay.
Yeah.
Jump into the next chart. It looked like a good trade. I mean, I don't know if it would have played out after that.
It's difficult with the 7 minute. The 7 minutes it goes quick. So
yeah, it does. It does. Okay. Well, look. Tell me when you're ready, and I'll hit start on the timer.
Okay, we'll go for it now. Yeah.
Yeah. Underway. Somebody's funny in the chat. Jacob has to turn 18 before he can do the final. That's a new rule. We might be waiting a while.
Drops down to the 4-hour. Euro dollar. Okay. Right, I'll play this.
Somebody's come up with an idea. Live trading for an hour in the final. Could be interesting. How do we do that, guys, in the chat? Tell us, how would you do live trading for an hour and make it a competition, given the fact some of these guys aren't scalping? I suppose the market's fractal, so you know what works on a daily works on a 5 minute.
It's not giving me a lot to work with here with the range. Oh, okay. Drop back down to the 30-minute chart. See what we can do. Look left. Right, okay. Right. Can I set like an order for like a limit, say?
Yeah, limits. Yeah, limit stop orders, whatever you want.
Okay.
And thing is, if the limit doesn't trigger, then I'll
Yeah,
just
yeah.
keep I'll just
Cool.
pause the time until we see if it triggers or not. If it doesn't trigger, then I'll
Yeah.
start playing the time again. Okay.
How long have I got left?
4 minutes 15.
Okay. Um.
So is that you? So you're happy with that? If you're happy with it, then I'll pause the time and then we can play through and see if it's triggered. Just let me know when you're happy.
I'm gonna scratch that for a second and just play one or two more candles before I set this limit because
Okay.
I thought I had a little less time. Speed up a bit. Yeah, actually, you know what? I'll just go in short from here, stop above here, say, um, pick a target from the 4 hour. Set a bit of a level there as well. Right, that's changed my mind. 1 second. Scratch that again. Just want to see how these candles play. Yeah.
Yeah, 3 minutes.
Okay.
Is there a prize for the semi-finals? Robot Builder Club for the first rounders? No, we're not doing it for the semis because the time limit's it's too hard for them to give a good explanation. But if you want to see how these guys are doing, what they're doing, I recommend going back and having a look at those other trader versus trader challenges, and you'll get a good feel for like how their strategy plays out. So that was to Q Iliante.
The overall was the overall voice was correct. I was kind of going to aim
Yeah.
for down here, but I would have been stopped out. I would have put the stop too tight above this. So I'm going to just try and configure something now just to.
So you got 1 minute. You got 2 minutes left.
Okay. You know what? I'm going to just go for 2 minutes. Yeah, I'll just go for a long position. I'm going to go for. Okay, I'll just go for it. I'll target back up here. Actually, I'll go back on the 30 minutes just to take a stop. Or is that 3.32? 3.32. You know what? I'll put my stop just beneath here and I'll. Yeah, you know what? I'll just go for that.
Okay, so we're targeting what looks like, what's the R on that? 6R. Okay.
Have to go for it.
Yeah, yeah, you gotta go for it. Okay.
This one, isn't it?
Yeah, you're in. So does it? It just that'll do. That'll do us.
I'll just bring it up.
It's gonna break the highs there. There he goes. That's what you're after.
But obviously at
About
this stage,
3R now, by the looks of it, 2.5R already up. At a guess.
For the fun of it, I'll see if how these candles play. I'll actually do a bit smarter now. This is the one candle, yeah?
That's the one candle.
I'll
Now,
just see.
yeah. What's your normal sort of what's your normal that you'd normally go for, Jack?
Depends on the setup as well, or
What's the minimum?
minimum 2.5, 2.5
Okay.
to 1.
Okay.
Still making the highs. Let's see what it does here now.
So you had 1:25 left on that one, so you did all right with the time.
What's that there? Let's see. Oh, it's a bit more actually.
1.57, is it?
1.71. I'll just grab that.
Okay, you're gonna grab that. You're gonna exit it. Okay,
get something
cool.
in. I'm just gonna play it out and see what the story was.
Okay, 1.71. Right. You're already beating your old score, so let's see what happens. It's made a low. Gonna make a lower low. Yep, that's gone.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe not. Maybe it didn't. Yeah, now it's gone, I think.
Oh.
Good call. Good call.
Yeah. I've seen that. I've seen those candles, and then it.
Yeah.
It's got out.
Okay, cool. 1.71. All right, so jump into the next chart, guys. I'm going to update the scores in the chat so you can, if you're coming in late, you can see what the current score is. I didn't update it for the first one because it was break even for Jack, and then second one's 1.71. You're going to jump into the US CAD chart now. We'll get that timer going, and I'll update these scores in the chat. They'll be pinned at the top of the chat, guys, if you're turning up late. Enrico's Johnson. I don't think people realize the pressure it can come with. #respect. Well done. Right. Let me know when you're ready, and I'll hit this timer going.
Okay, we'll go for that.
Okay, it's off.
A bit choppy here now. Okay, play this for a bit.
Pelea Thabo. You did not inform me of the semi-final, bruv. Why? There's only so much I can do. Let's put it everywhere, mate. Come on. Telegram, Instagram. Subscribe to something. You'll get updated. Trust me.
Have you watched much of Chelsea recently?
Well, this international break kills me because I can't get the video. I can't get coverage because I've got to get. They don't play everything, and then the same with the League Cup and the FA Cup and the Champions League. It's all a nightmare. So yeah, when the Premier League stops, I'm like, it's like a no man's land,
finished.
scrambling for streams and feeds and what have you. So I just didn't get it. I didn't watch any of the League Cup stuff. But I did watch the three coming back from 3-0 down. Gosh, killed me. I thought it was funny what Mourinho said to Lampard about get up, don't sit in the sit down frowning when you're losing. Get up, you should be up on the touchline. For me, what's your view on that? I don't know. Actually, I should let you concentrate. But yeah, for my view, it's sort of like, what do you do? Do you take advice from the mentor, or the next time you get up and stand on the sideline, or do you ignore it and carry on?
I think at this stage as well, Mourinho is outdated. I wouldn't listen to what he said.
3 minutes 40, so not even halfway yet. I was watching the Tottenham All or Nothing, I think it's called, and the Man City one.
Yeah.
And I was quite interested to see Pep and Jose's styles are very different. Pep, I can't understand a thing he's saying. Literally, I got no idea. The guy's just jumping around. Very funny. But then in front of the media, you can understand exactly what he's saying.
I think a few people will be angry with me in the comments if they're football fans, but I think Pep is quite overrated.
There we go. Chelsea sucks. Yusuf Sethi, mate, you're lucky you don't get a ban on this channel. Seriously.
What did he say?
He just said Chelsea sucks.
Come on, you God.
Right, 2 minutes 35.
Right. Oh. I'm gonna conjure something up here now. It is genuinely very different when you're doing it live and using a replay tool to actual live trading.
When you've got this trade locked in, you can tell us why. There's somebody called Liverpool Best in the chat. Oh dear.
I'm gonna take a chance on this one.
Yep, you're at 1 minute 15.
I'll take a chance on this and go from here. Here, target. Yeah, I'll go for that.
Are you going to go for it? Okay, 47 seconds left.
Yeah, I'll just go for that. I'm not going to be able to get anything else with the time. So it's that's our current price. It's 4.4. I'll try to get across so you can see. Where is it? Try to get. Where's current market price? Oh, it's a bit less. So it's about maybe 4.34.
Okay.
Right.
And if it hits take profit, are you? Because I've said to the guys, like, if you want to use the floating take profit, just tell me, and that means if it sort of shoots down and hits the TP, and you're like, I don't know, I would have stayed in. Just let me know.
Okay. I don't have the best feeling about this one, but
okay.
We'll see. Okay, so it's this one, isn't it? This one, yeah. I'll just put up the speed to let it put it out of my misery. Oh, okay.
Okay, you're already at, looks like 3R at least. Maybe even 4R. 3.55.
Where is my TP? I'll just bring it down to here for 4. Actually, I'll just slow it down. It'll just be interesting to see how it reacts to this level. That's
single
one.
candle, yeah. That's single candle.
Right.
There you go. TP 4.01. Well done. So currently you've got a pretty damn good score for even just the trader versus trader, trading view replay challenge. If you're in that, total was 5.72, which means you could walk away with 3.72 if you lose both the last 2 trades. So cool. All right, brilliant. So move on to the next one. So you're at 5.72. This is the final trade.
Oh, let me click on that. Okay. Card. So we got to go on this one as well, yeah?
Yep, good to go on that.
Okay, off we go. Conjure something up as well.
Yeah, folks, for anyone joining late, the score is pinned to the top of the chat. Okay, so we've had Jack doing 3 trades so far. This is his 4th. Then Qvon's going to jump in there. We need to get over 20R to make Jacob feel a little bit scared for next week, whenever we do this.
How did he get 20? I didn't have a chance to watch it back. I meant to, but surely he was dragging his TP out quite a lot.
Yeah, he kept dragging his TP. So he kept dragging his TP because I think the first trade was 8R, and then he dragged it to 11. Then it was like 18, and I think he'd lost the first 2 trades, and then he had a 3 or something R trade, or maybe it was even like a 2 something. I can't remember. I actually just deleted the scores, and then the last one went 20. Oh, was the gate 20? I may have even gone 18R or something like that. I can't remember, but it was one trade that got him there basically.
Yeah, no, because I see.
Oh no, sorry. He did another trade at the end. Which was another good trade. So I can't remember the details. But it was basically one trade that helped him get there.
Yeah, I was flicking through Instagram and I seen the kind of headline, if you like, and I was like, oh, okay.
Now, what do you guys feel about if you did do like part of the challenge, part of the final was this sort of thing, and then how would you do? Would you do like if there was a scalping challenge, like an hour in the market? Come up with, you got to take 2 trades in an hour. Maybe no, you can only really take 1 trade in an hour, can't you? Then it becomes a bit of a crap shoot. You know, anyone could win it. Yeah, I'm not too sure about it. I'm not too sure. Okay, so 3 minutes 50, halfway there.
Okay. Let me mark this box. I'm probably gonna try wait for a pullback to get back down to kind of 91062. Right. Okay.
Because Qvon, how many trades do you think you could take in an hour trading live?
No idea, because I generally don't scalp. So
yeah. I'm just looking at the comments. Like, people think it's a good idea, but it's like, yeah, it's. I think in principle it could be difficult to do. Yeah.
How long have I got left?
You got 2 minutes 30.
Okay.
So we could do. Maybe there's a Maybe I do a trader versus trader pure scalping competition. 1 hour in the markets, it's a different thing. 1 hour in the markets, 2 traders, who can make the most pips, or the most most pips? No, who can make the most pips, I think. So the risk to reward's not so much but then no, it's got to be who can make the most
Right, I'm just gonna go from this 4-hour zone. It's not really enough movement in the pair, I don't think, for the 30-minute odd card. I'll just look for a short off the reaction from there. How many pips is that? 200? No. I'm gonna drop down to the 30-minute to try and kind of get a TP and a stop loss.
122 left.
Bit more of a longer term trade, but I'll go for okay. Yeah, I'll put that on the 4-hour. Nice pull back to the zone.
I don't think you got much choice now. You got 47 seconds left.
Yeah,
you can have to take this one. So it's just
right, okay. Right, we'll go for that.
Okay, right. So you've locked that in. You're in at the market by the looks of it. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what happens. Out. -1. Okay. Cool. All right. Damn it, I forgot to give Qvon his pairs. Right, Qvon. Let's give you some pairs.
okay, let's go.
Right, let's give you some pairs. Okay, so the first pair is GBP USD. The second one is Euro CAD.
Euro CAD.
The third one is NZD USD. And the last one is USD JPY.
Okay.
And I'm going to stop your share there, Jack. And we'll get, when you're ready, just scream, mate, and we'll I'll jump in there, get access, and we'll set you up for your challenge. Okay. Okay, I've got it. Okay, mate. All right, so spin around, hands over eyes, look at that beach. And we'll get going here. Okay. Right, so we're on the daily here. And what you're going as low as the 4 hour, is that right?
4 and 1 hour.
4 hour, 1 hour, okay. Doing replay mode. Okay, spin back round, mate. You're all set.
Perfect.
Okay, let me know when you're ready and we'll hit the timer and get you going.
Okay, let me just move this out the way. Okay, great.
Okay, I'm going to start. Right, I'm just going to update the chat with the final score there.
What happens if I go up to the monthly? Will it change or?
You can go up as high as you want. It just means that you can't really enter any trades for that month because it'll paint the whole month.
I see.
Yeah, so you can start off at the monthly and go down, no problems.
Okay. So I'm just going to mark off these zones. And these are just turning points in the market, similar to what kind of Jack was doing, but mine's done automatically for me. And really, I want to avoid trading in those areas because it's actually like to be an area of like high liquidity. So I don't really want to trade in that area because you don't really know where the market's going to go after that. So okay, perfect. Don't need that anymore. And then I'm going to go here. So now I'm just looking for the weekly candle to sort of fall within one of these backgrounds, whether it be red or green, which is like to indicate the direction the market's going to go in. And then I'm going to go to a lower time frame to find an entry. So go forward. So that's cool here. Jump down to the daily. And then I'm looking to try and enter a short around this area here. Take profit down here. And I'm just going to leave my take profit floating for now.
Okay.
So look. Yeah, I'm ready to enter. So it's going to be a sell limit at the entry point.
Okay, I'll pause that whilst we see if it triggers and go from there. Okay, so you're all good? Hit play, you're floating, take profit. When you're ready, go for it.
Okay, let's see if we get an entry.
Yep,
okay,
you're in.
Yeah.
Yep. Ooh, that's out. Pretty sure.
Spread might have got you
there.
Oh
no, it's just in. It's just in. It's just in. Okay, you're still live. You're still live.
Still alive. Okay, might be gone on the next one.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, that's gone now. Yeah, unfortunately, that's
we're out.
Definitely gone.
We'll just play it out, see what happens. Okay, that's cool.
Gosh, nothing worse than the pip stop out. Or probably 5 pips on 4 hour. Okay, cool. All right, so that's -1.
Okay, we'll close that one.
Yeah, you can close it or just leave it open and go to the next chart. It's up to you.
Okay, so we're looking to do the same thing around this area as well. So
Yep.
I'm starting the monthly.
Oh, hang on. Let me just start the timer. Okay, right, done.
So.
For the guys that are turning up late, basically the chat has got the latest scores in there. If you're wondering what the score is, have a look at the pin message. You'll see that we've got the scores up there. Do remember to share this, guys. It's the semi-final here. Get sharing it on your Telegrams, your Instagrams, anything with a gram in it, basically. Just get sharing, like the video, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you're wondering how these guys really sort of go into detail and pick out their trades, head back and have a look at their previous trader versus trader videos. So it's in there. You're going to see how they analyze a chart. We're sort of skipping through it here because we've got a time limit. So this is, you're not getting a lot of detail around what they're thinking is behind what they're doing. Yep, Simbi, 1 trade per chart within 7 minutes. That's it.
So again, I'm just waiting for precisely this. And then I'm going to jump down to the daily. I'm just going to mark the top of this daily candle. So I'm just waiting for a break of this high. And then a run up in price. Okay. Might just skip ahead of this one.
What we might actually do for the last trade for both of you is get you guys to run it for each other, i.e. Jack, you can come up with the pair, set the time, set the replay mode for Qvon and vice versa. So at least it makes it completely fair. I'm not like being seen as being biased and giving an easy opportunity to someone. I think that makes sense.
Yep.
And what's your thoughts on? Sorry, you got 3 minutes 50. Jack, what's your thoughts on an hour-long trading session as either a final or just a completely different trading competition? So it's got to be scalping, all right? There's no 4 hour time frame about it.
Be definitely interesting. I know there's a big community of people that scalp as well, and you can gather a lot of information about someone's strategy and learn a lot from a 1 hour just pure trading session live. So, if I was a trader, it's certainly something that I'd want to watch.
But so would you put your hand forward? Sorry, put your name in the hat for that, or being a non-scalper and try and use the same strategy, or would you come up with something different?
I don't scalp typically, but it'd be interesting to see with the skills that I have and the current strategy, could I kind of base them off that and give it a go. So I'd definitely be up for it. Yeah.
Right, Qvon, are you looking to get in this trade on a limit order?
Yeah.
Or?
So it's going to be a buy limit.
Okay. Cool. I'll just pause that and just assume that. Let's see if you get triggered. So you got 2
And
minutes
yeah,
40 left, by the way.
Yeah. Okay. Let's
So
see
if it doesn't trigger you in, then you're in.
Yeah. Go. Ooh. See, ideally in the live market, I would get out here, but for the sake of the challenge, I'm just going to leave it running because I would expect price to go down.
Mm.
Do I want to go down to R, or shall I just get out? Okay.
Close. Still in.
Yeah. So that's what I suspect would happen. So I would have got out when I said I would have gotten out.
Okay. So for the sake of the challenge, you gave it a buzz. Okay, so that's minus 2R. So it's not the end of the world. Jacob had minus 2R. And he ended up getting a ridiculous score.
Okay, let's see these charts. Okay, so I'm going to go through the same process again. So
right, sorry, let me just start the timer again. You're underway. Geraldo, who has also been part of this Trader versus Trader, he basically is a scalper as well. So great. I know Jacob's a scalper as well. So I think there's at least 2 guys that would be happy coming in and doing that sort of challenge. I think it's worthwhile trying. I think it's definitely worthwhile trying. An hour in the market. Maybe I'll just do one and see what happens. Not part of a challenge or anything. Let's just do it. Get a couple of traders on, see if they can beat each other, and then if it works, then we'll perhaps make it into a little competition.
I could put someone forward as well that'd be a better scalper than myself. The guy that actually runs the community that we have, Velocity FX, with myself, he's from home and based in Dubai as well. Nathan, he's a very good scalper, so he could take the place for Velocity FX in the competition if it goes ahead. So he could take the place.
Cool. No, I'm always looking for good traders to get on board. So yeah. definitely lock that in.
We anytime we're together in over here in Dubai, and he has his laptop, and I can see him on the 15 and 5 minute charts, and I'm like, well, okay, I'll leave you to it. But I've seen him pull off some pretty good R trades in and out in 5 minutes, and making a lot of money. So it works. It doesn't work for everyone, but for the people who have the strategy down and can have the mental, I think it's takes more mental capacity to scalp as well. If it works for them, they can still be a very profitable trader.
And what do you guys do at Velocity? What's the sort of core business there?
More so analysis calls. Sometimes I'll call out some positions that I'm taking and why, and then people can kind of learn from that. We've done an ebook and everything. We do calls with members. Just even we have mentors as well. So if people are beginners, you can come in and start from scratch, or intermediate traders, or kind of people looking to push to the next level. Because ourselves, we've been there and we've done it, and we kind of create the group to give people the extra push in becoming profitable, rather than going through the stuff that we went through to actually become profitable. Blowing the accounts and thinking, where's it going wrong, and the mentality to trade. So we're just trying to give as many people possible the help to succeed in the market. So that's what we do, and we have a good community there now of nearly 200 people. So we've a big group. You know, people then can, as they get more involved, they can share their own analysis. Some people have even made friends from the group, which is very interesting as well.
Cool.
It's a good group.
Right, 3 minutes 20, Qvon.
I'm ready. I'm going for a sell limit.
Okay. Cool. So locked in. Good. Okay, I'll pause the timer. Let's have a look. Sell limit. Okay, didn't trigger.
Okay. Just my that's fine. It didn't trigger. So how long do I have left for another seller?
3 minutes 7 seconds.
Okay, that should be fine.
Yeah. So okay, I'll resume the timer. Yeah. So there's a great show coming up this week, guys. We've got a guy who has got probably one of the best account flipping stories I've heard. You're gonna hear it all in detail. So he flipped $280. I think it was $300. And he got down to 280. How much do you think he flipped it to, Jack?
I think I watched that video. Was he on your channel before, or was it somebody else's channel? Young guy from the UK, No.
This was
okay.
This is a different guy. Funnily enough, he's connected. He got introduced to me by another guy who's been on or Forex, who did really well on. You know, he's got a big following. He's a good trader. Did well on the replay challenge. And he said, you got to get this guy on, right? He's got like very little presence, but in terms of like online presence, but he definitely knows what he's doing. So in 2 weeks, this was, he said it was like, it was very high risk, right? It was either going to blow the account or not.
Of course, yeah.
But in 2 weeks, how much do you think he took his $300 to? In 2 weeks, like literally no longer than that.
10K.
100K. Yeah, it's just ridiculous.
What risk was he using?
He was using 30% risk per trade,
and obviously kept stacking it as well.
Yeah. So it's a great story. You guys.
Credit where credit's due.
Yeah, everyone listening, just he had a day job at the same time. He was working a day job at the same time, earning something. I don't know how much he was earning. I think it was like $14 an hour.
That's 100K is life changing money.
Oh yeah. Right, you got 1 minute left, Qvon.
I'm ready. I'm in that market.
You're in the market? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's see how it plays out. Oh. Damn.
Okay.
That got me.
-1.
Okay, so I'm down 3R.
Down 3R. So you're chasing 472. 4.72. Yeah. So if you get a 5R trade, you're leading going into the final. Actually, no, sorry, you need an 8R trade.
8. Okay.
Yeah, it's because you're down 3.
No worries.
Can you take a smoke break on this channel?
Cancel. Start. Sorry, I'm stepping to time. Yeah, I don't think we get banned for that. What, a break? You want to head off? Do you?
No, just
Oh
one
yeah, no, yeah, of
just
course,
there
of course.
for 2 minutes on the balcony. Unfortunately, that's what nicotine addiction comes with when it calls. You need to have a cigarette, especially when you're live on YouTube. So could do it one.
So you'll be back in 2 minutes, or you can hear us.
Like I'll leave everything set up. I'm just going to the balcony. It's
Okay,
in my room.
cool.
So
Yeah. Go for it. Go for it.
Man, the way this is going, I might be done in half a minute.
Okay, cool. Yeah, okay, yeah. So 100k is life changing money. Yeah. Righty ho. What's the highest trade you've got, Qvon, before?
Probably when a live account.
On a well, I suppose a live account would be good. That doesn't count otherwise. On a
I
live
would
account,
say
yeah.
probably about 6R.
Okay.
It's very different playing replay and doing
Yeah.
it real life.
Yeah. It's funny. Jack's doing better than he did when he was when he didn't have the time limit. The time limit's helped him.
I'm doing terribly. Okay, so that's fine. Go down to daily. Let me just
Yeah, I wonder if there is a thing there with the get two traders on to scalp live in the live market. I think that's a really good idea. I think that's actually a really good idea. Live market, two traders scalping. I've got a setup. You flick to it. What time of day do you reckon you'd have to do it? It'd have to be like sort of around London Open, New York, that sort of thing, wouldn't it? So my evening, I think.
it's going to be live.
I think so. Yeah.
Scalping.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
The live market thing. I think you'd do it
Yeah,
live.
that'd be cool, man.
I think you'd get quite a few people watching that because they're probably
I know.
jumping on the back of the trades and taking it as a signal service, which is not recommended. But
Yeah, I know. Roger Banks has kind of like a thing similar. He gets a lot of viewers in every day.
yeah, right. Yeah, he's been on the show. He's so are you going to be placing an order here, Qvon?
yeah, I'm gonna do a buy limit.
Okay, I'll pause this now. It's 2 minute 35 left.
Okay, let's see if we get triggered. No, it just runs up. Okay. Well, I'm gonna take that order off. How long do I have left?
2 minutes 35.
Okay. God damn it.
Sorry, you got two trades left anyway, so I mean you don't have to get the the 8R on this trade, only if you want to.
Damn, so that came back down and hit my entry. And
Oh, you're kidding. You're kidding. Oh, you were kidding. Oh, gosh.
it's okay. Let me just go back to the weekly.
Yeah, Ruben, if you jump back and have a look, as Simbi said, you're going to find out how this analysis works if you jump back and have a look at the other video that we did. But yeah, this is, he's running out of time here, so he's concentrating on getting an entry.
I might go that market. This is not what I would usually do, but let's see if we can get up here.
Okay, we've got 1 minute 18.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll get in at market.
Okay, let's pause that then. Okay, you're in, yeah. Okay. All right, so you're in the market.
Yeah, let's see what happens.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Looks good.
Wish I got in at my entry point here, but
Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Profit. What was the R on that take profit? Is it a flexible take profit, or are you?
I want to get out now, but I should get out now because the indicator tells me to get out now, but damn, okay. Let me just see what this would be.
1.28. What do you want to do, fella? It's up to you.
You're gonna keep going. Gotta risk it for the biscuit, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep going. I'm pretty sure it'll come back down very heavily, but it's okay. I'll be confident if it breaks this high.
God, there's nothing going on in those 4 hour chunks. Jeez, it's just okay. Is it going to break the low? Broke the low. It's a liquidity void there.
Keep going.
Broke the high almost.
Okay, we're out.
Okay, so it's -4 versus 4.72. Jack, you get to set up Qvon's chart and pick a chart. So do you want to tell him what chart to set up, and then you can do the replay mode for him? So what chart do you want him to do?
We'll go with GJ.
GJ?
Yes, it's my favorite pair, so we'll just go with that.
GBP/USD. Oh no, DJ, you said it. GBP/JPY.
Okay, so
GJ,
right, have you got control of his mouse now?
I think I need to get access from the mouse.
Yeah, I think you need to request.
Okay, I'm not really big on Zoom. So
Oh wait, I sent you the control.
Oh, okay. So
Oh, I'll turn around.
Okay, yes, turn around, hand over your eyes.
So can I click? Oh, I can.
You just go leave it on the daily. You're on replay mode now, so you should just be able to scroll back in time.
Oh, I'm on replay mode already.
Click off it because it's not giving you the It's not. Click off it and click on it again. Click on it again. It should give you the red bar. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can pick an entry point. Now, because he's going as low as the 4-hour chart, you've got you can probably go to 2016, 2015.
Okay. I might go down to the 1 hour. So.
Okay, you might go down to the 1 hour, so therefore don't go any further than 2016.
Okay, we'll just go here. Could yeah.
Okay, so you want to give up remote control so that you've not mucking around with his mouse. Just makes it easier.
Okay, how do I do that?
I don't know. There should be an option at the top saying give up remote control, highlighted. Anyway, Qvon, you can turn back around now, mate. You're all good to get going.
Can you kick me off the chart? Oh, okay. Sorry, I have it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm out.
Okay. Yeah. The other thing is
okay.
Okay.
Right. So how much R do I need to?
Okay. So you need to get 8.73 R to pretty much. Well, actually, no. I mean, look, it depends on if Jack wins the last trade or not. If he loses the last trade, he's going to be at 3.72. If he wins the last trade, who knows what he's going to be at. So even if he gets a little bit of profit and closes out his trade, he's going to win. Unless you get over 8.72 in your trade. So look, it's a big ask because I've only seen this happen once before in terms of somebody getting more than 5R in a trade. I think there's a lesson in there for everyone, actually. It's a good lesson if you're looking for big R trades. So yeah, time is underway. Basically, you're going for the moon here. You're shooting for the moon.
Well, in the last challenge, I got a 6R trade. So.
Oh, did you? I can't remember that.
Yeah. Something like that, close. Because when I live trade, I normally would trade with this on the 15-minute chart, but that's okay.
And guys, we've got another TraderView replay challenge coming up this week with Daniel Chung, aka Wannabe Champ. He's from the UK as well, Milton Keynes. He's been on the show a few times actually. Good trader, loves the DAX. So we're going to see how he can do. He's typically a 3R trader, so it'll be interesting. I don't think he's a big fan of replay mode though, so let's see how he gets on. That'll be Thursday morning, I believe. Thursday morning my time, which I guarantee is nobody else's time because I'm in the middle of nowhere. Which I found out this week that there's a big crypto YouTuber who lives literally around the same area as me, the same suburb in the same city.
That's interesting. You'll have to get on and link up with him and come up with something maybe for the YouTube.
Yeah. Well, he's a couple of mates of mine. I went to the rugby, the All Blacks versus Australia on Sunday, and they're into the crypto stuff, and they're like, oh yeah, there's a guy, Crypto Lark, who, don't know if anyone in the audience knows Crypto Lark. apparently he lives in the same town, but one of the guys reckons that he lives in the same suburb because he'd seen his car parked here. BT Coin is the personalised license plate. And funny that.
Yeah.
So I reached out to him, and as expected, no reply. So I'm looking out for him in the supermarket now, and if I see him, I'll have a word.
He has a big following, does he? Or
well, they reckon he had 40,000. I checked, he had 100 and something, like 142,000.
Okay.
So huge following.
Yeah.
But he had just gone massive out of nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
So the video this week, guys, is a crypto trade, actually, funnily enough, from the same guy I was telling you about who did this account flip. He actually shows us how he does. He did 100. Well, he does a lot of pips in a week. He did 835 pips in a week. So in the last week or whatever, unique kind of style. You're going to see how he does it in the video this week. So stay tuned for that. Remember, subscribe, like the video, that sort of thing, so you don't miss it. Yeah, Amos is saying -4 is bad. Yeah, it is bad, but remember, Qvon here is going for the win. He's not going for. He's not putting any of this in his Barclays bank account. He's going for the win here. So he would have exited a lot of these trades earlier. He wouldn't have held on to them. But hey, and he's going for ridiculous take profits now to try and catch up to Jack, who's done really well in the first few trades.
We're going for 13R.
13R. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. This is it. And this is the GJ.
Okay.
Okay. You're in at market?
Yeah, I'm in that market.
Okay. I'll cancel the timer. Right. 13R. Here we go. Everyone. Let's see what happens.
Pray for me.
Big ass.
Okay, let's see.
You almost just hit like play and fast forward and just close your eyes and just just let me.
Maybe I might get out with a break even for my dignity. Okay, let's go.
We already had it was that guy that you had on, the Hawaiian dude who had a -5 RA, Jack?
Yeah, his indicator was a bit, or it was the MA crossover one. I don't know.
Yeah, the MA cross, yeah.
It was a bit, a bit crazy.
If Qvon gets -5, I think you've got some sort of. You must be putting some voodoo curse on these guys, or it's like 2 traders have got -5. That'll be.
If I get out now, I can get -4 point like. Well,
yeah, exactly. Just screw Jack up there.
Okay. Damn. Okay, so I would get out here if I was in a live trade, but oh well. Because I expect it to go up all the way up here. That's not good.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. Jack, you've won. You're in the final, mate. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Now, the question is, do you want to do your last trade? You may as well.
Yeah, of course. That's the fun of the challenge. So we'll go for it.
Okay, cool. So, Qvon, do you want to pick his get access to a screen, set it up, give him something challenging. Pick a pair first.
Qvon, I'm gonna have to wait. Okay, I was gonna say, how do I request? Can you request remote control, or how do I give it to you? Do you know?
He'll request it. You can request it, Qvon, in the top.
I can request it.
Yeah, there's a little. There should be a thing saying.
I'll stop sharing my screen first.
Yeah. Or down the bottom, it should say under more. Oh no.
Man, it was tough.
Actually, where is it? Oh no,
where
there
do
is no
I?
remote
Where
control.
do
So you
I?
got to share your screen first, Jack, and then he can request
Okay.
remote control.
Okay. Sure. Okay. There's my screen.
Okay, so
So
do you want to set up a chart? Or Qvon, what chart do you want to give him?
What do you fancy, Jack? Something really tough?
just any FX pair. Yeah, just give me anything. I'll see what I can work with.
Okay, just for the sake of it, the novelty, let's go with MXN USD or USD MXN
USD, the Mexican peso.
peso.
Oh, you really?
Okay.
I've only looked at that once. It's an odd. Well, sorry, I tried to trade it once. It's a very odd market.
I
look at.
I have traded it before.
Yeah.
Do I need to turn around now, or no? I need to give the
Oh yeah,
you
you
need to give the
remote
remote
control.
access, then turn around.
Okay, I'll request it
remote
from you.
control.
There you go. I've
Okay.
requested it.
Okay. Right. Okay. So I'll get the face mask on. I'm so used to the face mask here in the UAE. You get a big fine to if you're not wearing it. So
I'm yet to wear one. I've got one, but you're gonna have to click replay mode again and then click off it again, Qvon, because it's
What's happened?
yeah, you're gonna have to click replay mode and then click
Okay.
click replay mode again because it's somehow lost or it's stuck in it or something. So yeah, and then click replay mode and you should be good. That's it. Okay, that's it. The red line. Now, what time frame are you going to go down to again, Jack?
USD MXN 30 minute maybe.
Okay, so 2000 June 2016. You can't go back any further than that.
Okay. Let's go here.
Okay, Jack, you can spin back around. Do you want to give up remote control or just stop moving your mouse? And let me know when you're ready. I'll hit the timer.
Good luck, Jack.
Thank you. Something crazy must happen from this price point, does it? If you're saying the way you're saying it like that, good luck. Okay, so yeah, we'll go. Yeah, we'll go now. Right.
Cam, you need to see their live account history. Trust me, guys, nobody's showing their live account history. People don't want to show their live account history. I can guarantee that. It's like death and taxes. People don't show their live account history.
A lot of people will say, "Oh, show me your live account. Show me your live account." I will say as well, I trade on FTMO, but you're basically asking how much somebody has earned or lost, and
yeah,
not everyone is comfortable with sharing that. So
yeah, it's like saying, tell me what your salary is. Oh,
yeah.
I don't want to tell your friends what your salary is.
Right. USD MXN. It moves when it wants to.
How to play? That doesn't even make sense. How to play? Anybody can with explain. Oh right, how to do trading view replay mode? Just Google search. As I tell my kids, just get on Google. You'll find the answer to everything.
You need a pro account.
Oh, you do need a pro account. You can get a free trial as well. 30 days will give you the pro account if you want. Another thing I'm going to do is there's a guy, and he's only just come back to me again now. He completely got the dates wrong. We're going to not do the trading view replay challenge because he doesn't really trade this way. He trades like, how does he trade? Well, I'm pretty sure he trades without a stop loss, and he's not going to make 20R in a trade. but he will make like money by seeing. Basically, you're going to get to see his unique trading style in a fast-paced manner versus, you know, across 24 hours. You'll see it in a back tester, and we'll use MetaTrader 4 FX to do it, and we'll just see how many pips he makes. So that'll be a video coming up. We won't do it live. It'll be a video coming up on the show. So yeah, something to look forward to. Really unique style. This guy is a very good trader, and he's like an account flipping sort of guru. Give him $50, he'll walk away with 25 grand pretty consistently.
Okay. Might wait for price to just get back up here. Okay.
Because Qvon, you've got a job, haven't you? You don't do trading full time. You work.
Yeah, I work as well.
What's your line of work?
Physiotherapist.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I do trade as well on FTMO.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. We discovered that last time. That you. Yeah. So 2 minutes 50.
Okay, I'm gonna place my stop just under here. And I'll target this USD MXM. We'll see what it's like to trade. I'm just gonna look left for a minute, go back to the daily. There's a bounce here, could retest. You could even get it back up to here, maybe. You'll just go for it just for the challenge and everything.
Okay, so you ready?
Wait, I'm just gonna move this to the side. I'll wait for it, see if it just rejects off this again.
Amas, how do you get on the challenge? This challenge, you just DM me on Instagram and I'll tell you how you do it. You've got to send a video and you've got to tell me why you want to come on the challenge. And yeah, basically that's it. I'll send you a little bit of info. And we'll probably, this one's going quite well. So, you know, if we can get enough traders to do another one, then maybe we'll do another one the same. Maybe we'll do the scalping one version or something like that. I don't know. We might change it up. We might carry it on. We'll see.
Well, yeah, it already went up into profit. I'm just going to enter that market here. Just see what happens.
Okay.
Just put the stop somewhere around here. And I'll just go back to the daily. I'll target back up. Here somewhere. Yeah, we'll go for it. Should have got in around here, but then I had the mode on too fast and it shot up. Would have liked to get in when it didn't come back down to the liquidity zone, but we'll see. Okay, just play.
Okay, in that market, let's have a look. I always like the fact that your trades seem to just shoot off straight into profit. I don't know, every single time you do one, they just seem to go straight into profit. Like you've got the momentum with your specialty. So you're what, probably just over 1 hour now?
Yeah, it's funny you say that because I wish it was the case all the time, especially when I'm taking live trades. Like I had a loss on GA today, but yeah.
Did that exit?
Exit?
No, would have given you the arrow, wouldn't it, if it exited? It didn't look like it quite. It made it. It would have.
We can give him it.
Oh, hang on.
Oh.
Yeah,
I think it's showing us where it's going.
I was.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll leave it at that. I was going to say I was going to extend the TP, but we'll see.
All right. Okay.
Okay. What was it?
Oh,
look. Let's just extend it because it doesn't matter. Just extend. If you want to extend the TP, extend the TP.
I was going to. Because I couldn't see the 4 hour. I couldn't see I was on the 4 hour, and then I was literally changing to the daily to see where I was going to target next. And obviously, it's after handle, but it's if they're coming up into this zone. But
where would you have extended it to?
To be honest, with that trade, I would have probably taken that or moved on to another trade. But I don't trade USD MXN, and I know it moves.
Okay, yeah.
So for the challenge, and I'm gonna just target a new high. I'll just go for a new high, and we'll go just for laughs. Like I don't see why not. Like it's yeah. We'll have to pay out in swap fees, but we're not trading with a brokerage, so here at the moment.
Okay, you're not gonna scare Jacob, unfortunately, with that. But you could have done because that would have taken you to 11, I think, or 10R or something. Okay, cool, brilliant. So that was the final score was 372 in the end, which.
Oh no! What do you mean? We take profit here on that one?
Oh, you're right. Yeah. Look, it's all fun, mate. It's all fun. You did well.
Of course, of course.
So hang on. Did you? Look, it's too hard to tell. You happy with the loss, or you want to take the profit?
I'll take the loss.
Okay, cool. 3.72. Okay, brilliant. Well, look, I'm not going to put the scores up here because it's too late. But guys, thank you for coming on the show. Now, before we wrap up, is there any? Do you guys want to promo yourself quickly?
Qvon, go ahead.
Qvon official on Instagram if anyone wants to reach me. Yeah, that's it pretty much.
Jack?
And JLD DXB on Instagram, and then we have Velocity FX. Velocity_Forex is the Instagram for the whole community, and to check us out, we're on YouTube and everything else as well. So
cool. Well, look, thank you guys for coming on. Qvon, thanks for coming on the show, mate. It's been fantastic having you on, learning your strategy, seeing your stuff. All the best in the future. Jack, we'll see you in the final. We're going to try and do it next week if you're around. Okay. So folks who are watching, please come and join us next week for the final of Trader vs. Trader. Until then, have a great trading week, and I'll see you on the podcast. We've got fantastic stuff coming up this week as well. Another TradingView replay challenge, another video, another podcast, possibly a third video as well. So guys, it's all happening here on YouTube. See you there. Bye. And that's ending about now. There we go. Done.